morning guys, hope you're all well. I've got a bit of a free pass, so I took it, grabbed it by my hands, and I'm out. It was literally off the cuff this, so I've literally packed everything. I hope you haven't forgot anything, but if I have, I have. But yeah, I'm in a spot where I come for a bit of a walk in Cropton before on one of my videos. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I found this spot. It's a lovely little spot. So this is where I'm going to camp tonight. So I've got a few beers, food just minimal. I've only got some burgers, got some bacon for morning, a couple of eggs, halloumi cheese. So there's my tarp, I laid it down, you can just see it. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it all up. Once it's done, I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to do this. Drone footage, and I'll have a little night you out there and that. So anyway, I'll take you around, tell me what you think. Whoa. Whoa, here we go. So this is from the side view. I'll just go around. Yep, that's me set up for tonight, my living quarters. Right, we're going to get the fire going. It's 7:15 now, so we're going to get some embers on the go before we go out. So we're going to start the fire with a bit of flint and steel char cloth and a nest. I've just put some wool in there as well, some wax wool, just to help it. But yeah, we've done that. So make a little nest. Get me flint. Get my char cloth. Should go from that side. Let's see if we can get a fire going. And then we have it. Let's get it in here before it goes out. There we go, get that in there, poke it in, off we pop. Bob's your auntie. Some of these thin little bits on. Right then, so I ended up getting the sunrise for you. The clouds moved. I saw it peeping through the trees, the sun. So I literally darted up the hill with my drone and my phone and the bottle of, was it Amigo? Not Amigo. Bandido. What's a bit like Desperado from Aldi. And it was alright as well. I enjoyed it. So I managed to get the sunset, sorry. So I got some photographs, some videos. So I just sat up there and enjoyed that. It was quite nice. So this is where I am at the moment. It's literally going in it. Clouds starting to cover it again. Can't really see it now. Can you see it? Just there. Beautiful. So I'm having a bit of an Aldi special, a Bandido. It's a bit like a Desperado. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Look at that. There you go, folks. There you go, folks. The cloud has passed. It's still a bit cloudy, but we've got a gap. Can you see that? That is it's just a Wagyu burger. What we're going to use. Quite nice, these Wagyu burgers. there you have it. Cheeseburger and a beer. Happy days. My loamy cheese is getting burnt, so I best set them off. Get that fire going. Oh, I'm happy with that with my loamy cheese. Leave that there. But yeah, happy days. Happy days. There it is. There's my burger. Just a nice simple burger. My loamy cheese. I'm going to throw on as well. I'm going to start that fire up. They're a bit burnt, but I ain't really bothered. There you go. Burnt along with cheese. But I ain't bothered actually taste. So, I'm going to start the fire up. And then that's it, just relax time now. So I've got to put them. I'm going to get my fart sack. Watch a few films. Just doze off. Listen to the sound of the river. But I'll leave it there. And I hope you're enjoying up to now. If you are enjoying, please like and please subscribe. It means a lot. Like I said, I mean, I've got 53 subscribers now, and I'm absolutely buzzing with that. So, come on, let's get more. Let's go for it. Like I said, anything you want me to do, put in a comment. And if I can, I'll do it. I like a bit of a challenge. So, speak to you soon. I'm going to finish off these beers and then I'm going to go to bed, watch a film and just relax, just enjoy the rest of it. It's been a good day. I've really enjoyed it. I hope you lot have enjoyed it too. Just trying to find my bottle opener here. I found it. But yeah, it's been good. Getting smoke in my ass. So that's it for me tonight now. I'm going to finish off these beers. I'm going to get in my fart sack. I'm going to watch a film. I'm going to doze off. Listen to the stream. If anything tragic happens, I'll get back to you, but hopefully not. And I'm going to set my alarm. What time is it? Let me watch. 4:47. Sunrise. So I'll get myself up for that. Fingers crossed, as long as I might be too tired, I might ignore me alarm and that, but we'll see. Hopefully get up for it. But thanks for watching, do appreciate it, and I mean that. So take care, and I'll see you in the morning. Right, good morning all. I had a fantastic sleep. I woke up about 4 o'clock. I was going to get the sunrise, but when I looked out, it was still a bit dull. But the sun's out now, it's beautiful. So we'll have a look out there soon. But God, literally, I had to put this on last night. I thought, what the hell is this? I'm getting bit now. They're all over the place. But look at the state of this. I mean, bit. Right there. Right here. Okay, now. They're all over. I'm itching like hell now. So I'm going to I'm going to put my, I'm going to have the first brew of the day. I'm going to take this off, put my jumper on, cover my arms up, because these are right little swats, these are. But yeah, look at the size of that. Okay, that's like a golf ball. But It's a lovely morning, absolutely fantastic. I ain't going to have a fire. I'm just going to cook on my, is it my BCM? I've got some fire dragons here, so I'm just going to cook on that. I'm going to do my brew on that and do my bacon on that. But first is brew time and jumper, so I'll get back to you soon. I'm going to pack away and I'm going to have my cook my breakfast up there where the sun is, and I'm all packed then. But yeah, absolute nightmare. They're all over the place. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, right, but feel them. They're all over. What I'm going to do, I'll keep my brook out, my food out, keep that out last with my fire burn and stuff, water. I'll keep all that there. And then what I'll do, I'll pack all that away, tidy all this up, leave no trace. I'll show you it all at the end. But yeah, what an absolute
So there you go, there you have it.
There is everything. So I'll just pack it all up. But there's my new BERGEN. The 25 litre HELIKON Tex. The 2 sear pouches at the side, what I bought. They've got fire kit in, my torch, my head torch, a few batteries. Got good side pockets, a nice big front pocket. But yeah, I like it. I'll give you more of a better review on it once I've used it a few more times. But yeah, it's 500. I think it's, what is it? Is it Kedora 500D? Is it Woolgin or whatever you call it? Plastics, something like that. I've got the earthy one, but I love the straps where they just come off like that. But like I said, I'll give you more of a review about it. These midges are doing my head in now, so I need to get everything packed away. So I'm just going to go through a quick sleep system for you. So my sleep system, my sleeping bag hasn't changed. I'm still on the Naturehike CW, what is it, 400 is it? CW 400, it says it's a 4 season, but I don't think it is. It's 3 season for me. I've got my pillow, that's my Vango. I've got my very first ever sleeping mat what I ever bought. Now then, so right, just a quick one. So if you're ever in like a survival mode and you need to get fire quick, you get a tub like this, put a little bit of petrol in it, gasoline, or any flammable liquids, and what you do is you put a cork in it, and what happens is the cork soaks up all the petrol, all the fluids, and gets really big, expands. So basically, if it's raining or whatever, you're cold, you need to get sorted. See, it's just a normal cork from a wine bottle. All you do is just basically light it, and there you go. Instant flame, burns for ages. You've got time to get your fire going, but you'll be warm instantly. Having my brew. I think I'm going to frob my, I ain't going to have my bacon butters, but what I will do, I've got some biscuits, so I'll have some biscuits. And then I'll be on my way. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to say thanks for watching. If you did like, please like, subscribe. Like you say, it helps me to do more things. More people that are liking and sharing, subscribing. It wants me to do more. So thank you for watching, and take care. Ciao.